What's up, y'all? It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I'm going to take you just through a day in the life, kind of update you guys on a little bit that's been going on. But before I get into this video, I do want to say a big thank you to Invitae. Invitae is sponsoring this video, and Invitae is a cancer genetic screening test that gets sent to your home, and the best part is it is affordable. So I'm really excited to be partnering up with Invitae because this cancer screening genetic test will help us take proactive steps and preventative steps in taking back control of our health. I had my genetic screening test done. It goes over 61 of your genes, and it will tell you the risk that you do have of developing a hereditary form of cancer, such as breast cancer, ovarian cancer, pancreatic cancer, and there's a few more other cancers out there. But this is just so important because when you take this test, you're gonna take back control of your health, like I said, and this is gonna help educate you on your own health. And if you do come back with any type of risk for a hereditary form of cancer, you'll be able to talk to a genetic counselor and figure out the next steps that you need to take. And that will be talking to your doctor and setting up a preventative and proactive game plan, such as getting scans every 3 to 4 months or seeing your doctor every 6 months. When it does come to somebody who has had cancer, like myself, this is really important for my doctors to know what type of genes and risk I have for developing another form of cancer, such as breast cancer, since breast cancer and ovarian cancer are like sisters. I had my test done and it came back completely negative for any risk of breast cancer. If those results would have came back positive, I would have had a game plan with my doctor, and that game plan was gonna be having a full mastectomy, removing both my breasts to take out that risk of developing breast cancer in the future. So if you guys are interested in getting your own cancer genetic test from Invitae, like this one right here, go ahead and click the link down below so you can take control of your own health and that. So that is so cool. Again, click the link down below if you want to get your cancer genetic testing kit from Invitae. And like that, church is over. It is 1:30. Church does not last that long, but we are actually getting involved with our church. So we're really excited about that, and we had to basically graduate from the little training class. But now, it's hot in here. We're getting ready to head to get some food. This guy right here, he has a showing, and after that showing, we're gonna head home and get ready for the week because, like Kanye says, the strong start on Sunday. Sunday! Just got done with our showing. It went absolutely amazing. This is one of the houses that we just showed. It looks very promising that they like it, but we're gonna take them out to a couple more homes. I am getting really hot though in this jacket. But yeah, so if y'all didn't know, Caleb and I are both real estate agents in Orlando, Florida. My jacket's falling. And that's like our main job. That's what we did before I got sick. Obviously, when I got sick, it took a little bit of a back burner. Is that the word? But yeah, we had to kind of chill on real estate because I was sick, but now we're back in it, back in the grind, and it's something we just love so much. And then I'm gonna talk to you guys about kind of what's been going on in the life of me and give you a little bit of an update of my doctor's appointment that I had last week. So I'll see you guys at home. are finally home. We have our not super early, it's 5 o'clock now, but we got dinner going. We are hungry. Sundays are usually our longer days, but today was a lot longer because Caleb had a showing about an hour away from our church. But I did want to update you guys on my doctor's appointment that was supposed to be on Thursday, last Thursday. It actually ended up getting pushed to Tuesday because Monday I did call because I was having a really bad pain in my left leg that I've been having for like 2.5, almost 3 weeks. It's about 4 weeks now that I've had it. But my leg would just get pretty swollen on my calf area, and I would just have like this constant pain there, and it would get worse like at night after I've been on it all day, especially after working out. So they wanted me to come in just a little earlier just to kind of check things out. So I got my CA 125 done, and I'm not gonna lie, getting those results, I almost cried. My CA 125 was elevated, and a CA 125 is your blood tumor marker test. And when you have ovarian cancer or you're an ovarian cancer survivor, a CA 125 is just going to show them if the cancer has progressed or if there's something going on, but also a CA 125 can be elevated for other reasons, so it's not the best indicator for ovarian cancer, but it does let the doctors know if something is going on. So usually my CA 125 likes to float between 8 and 13, and the last time I had my CA 125 taken, I believe it was up at 13, and that gave me a little heart attack, even though it's between the normal range, which is 0 to 35. But this time my CA 125 was elevated to 37.8, and that was terrifying. I'm not gonna even lie. I was terrified. I was stressed after I heard that. But I also had to get a ultrasound on my leg because we weren't sure if I had a blood clot in my leg, which I've had before, but not in my leg. After my debulking surgery, I had a really bad blood clot in my lung after, like I said, my debulking surgery. We did an ultrasound to see if there was one, and there wasn't, but we did find out that I have a torn muscle in my leg, and my doctor, full-heartedly believes that's why my CA 125 was elevated to where it was. The new game plan is that on December 26th, the day after Christmas, I am gonna go back to the hospital, back to Moffitt, and get my CA 125 checked, and I have an appointment with my doctor. If the CA 125 is in the same place at the 37.8 or higher, I believe they are going to do another CT scan or a PET scan just to be on the safe side. So that is what's been going on. I've had to take a week off from the gym, and I'm supposed to take like 3 weeks off. So I haven't been able to go to the gym as much as I like, and I've been going kind of stir crazy, but I know my body needs this break. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be having workout videos for a few weeks just because of that. And I know my 30-day fit guide was going on, and this was going to be a new series, but unfortunately things happen, and I have to take care of myself and my health. It's most important. It's more important than making YouTube videos, no offense. I know this is a lot of rambling, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on what's been going on in my life. So I am going to go take my makeup off. I am profusely sweating. I'm going to go get in some comfortable clothes, eat my food, and enjoy my Sunday. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. So that is it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.